So now both our headlights are looking like factory quality. Clean, shine bright, no cloudiness, and lustily. Right? So now we're gonna put on our lens protectant, spray it onto the lens, then we wipe them dry, and this is something that you must use regularly. Like each time you wash the car, you spray it onto the lens and wipe them, so it keeps off that build up from, you know, accumulating on the headlights. Alright, so you get a nice clean cloth, spray it, wipe it dry. So my cloth chamois is there, and that's it. And pretty much that's how you restore your headlights at home. So I'm gonna do that now and show you the final look. Okay, so here you have it. 2 headlights, factory restored. Alright? Properly restored. No fuss, no problem. Crisp, shine, and clean. Alright? So that's how it is done.